no validatory session, right? So no validatory session is going on. So just 5:15, we going to wind up the session, and that's it. So no validatory will be happen here. Okay, so we have 1 hour more. So till 5 I will be there, and then last 15 minutes I will keep it for the queries, question and answers. So that will be your last 15 minutes, and 5:15 we will wind up. And remember that you have to submit a assignments on the Google Classroom, right? And assignment is like you have to create the courses. So at least 4 modules you have to create, and each module should reflect this quadrant 1, 2, and 3. And whatever activity you are doing, take a screenshot of the Moodle, paste it into the uh, PowerPoint presentation, and submit this PowerPoint as assignment to the Google Classroom. Or in other activities, that is a today's activity I am telling to you. But before the earlier activities, you have to prepare the videos or other activities. I think you already know. Share the URL on the Google Classroom. That's the assignment you have to do, video recording and so many other activities that I think you already know. But today assignment is you have to create the course on the Moodle. You need to upload quadrant 1, 2, 3 in at least 4 modules you need to create. At least 4 modules, the whatever course you are teaching. Right? Create a course, take a screenshot, put it into the PowerPoint or a Google slide. That will be the good Google slide. Then share a link of the Google slide in the Google Classroom. Right. So that is assignment for today. You have creating a course on the Moodle. Finally, we are integrating everything within the Moodle. So now it's time to integrate the assessment assignment. How to integrate it assignment. Right. So resources is okay. Quadrant 1, 2 we created and just link to the LMS. Now it's time how we can take the assignment to the Moodle. So as I said in the beginning morning, that second session, ki Moodle support 300 plus features. We can integrate each and everything within the Moodle. So similarly for the assessment, if we talk about the assessment, okay, I'll show you how that assessment will work in that Moodle and what we can integrate additionally. So now earlier we used the resources. Now again I'll go to add an activity or resources, right? So earlier we used the resources. Now I'll go to the activity. So in the activity portion, see here the assignment. This is assignment and quiz. This is the quiz, right? That is my quadrant 3. Assignment and quiz. This is my quadrant 3, and forum. Here it is. This is my quadrant 4. Discussion forum. These 4 quadrant we have to complete. Right. So quiz. There are a lot of options we have to take the quiz. It's not necessary कि आपको Moodle quiz ही use करनी है, but I will highly recommend you Moodle quiz is the strongest feature we have compared to any quiz. Any quiz. Moodle is the very strong feature we have. Using the Moodle quiz, you can conduct a well professional exam. Just similar like happening in the NTAs or some professional center पर जो exam conduct होते हैं, CBT exam, you can conduct your exam, well professional exam using this Moodle quiz. That is very advanced quiz option we have. Otherwise, you can use any quiz option, Q report, quizzes, even you can use Google Form. Okay, related to the Google Form, if I show you something, okay. I'm not going to show you how to create a Google Form, but I'm going to show you something else. Okay. Let's say this is a okay. So this is a Google form, right? All we are aware that how to create a Google form, a quiz. So I'm not going to show you how to create it. Everyone is familiar with that. Now I'm going to show you some additional thing here. Once you create a Google form, if you would like to use it as a quiz to the Google form, then after creating it, send. When we are use this option send, we have a three option. Most of the time we are using this short URL and sharing the URL. That's it. Am I right? We are doing this only. Shorter
Yes, sir.
URL, share the URL.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or rarely we are using this via email. Sometimes to make it. Have you noticed there is one more option, third option? What is the symbol of that? This is the embedded code
Code.
of
Embedded code.
the. Have you noticed ever? We are using it usually. So copy
No,
it,
sir.
embedded code, go to Moodle, activity and resources. Now I'll pick text and media area because it's external activity, not internal. Right? So I'll take quiz. Same way, tool, source code, paste the code, save. Done. Save and return to the course. Same, just like we uploaded the video. Same way. And now see. See, Google Form is part of my Moodle. Now I can attempt the Google Form within the Moodle. Now it's like a internal activity of the Moodle, right? Next, see question 1 within the Moodle. There is no external thing, right? Next, right? Next, submit. MCQ done within the Moodle, right? No any redirection. It's look like a part of Moodle, right? Embedded code. So that's why I said wherever you will be get the embedded code, always prefer to use the embedded, always, right? And this MCQ is not a simple MCQ. Here, using that, you will get these certificates as well. Yeah. Yes. See here. Just now, the this MCQ which I submitted here, this MCQ, right? I integrated the automate certificate, automated certificate. Once student click, if the student pass, they get the certificate. If they fail, they will not get the certificate. Like this. This is the certificate which I just now get it through this Google form via the Google form, Moodle, and this online certificate, right? Instantly, see 100% score. If the score is below 50, system will not issue any certificate. This is automate using the Certify EM add-on. Certify EM add-on. You can try it out. You can integrate the Certify EM add-on within the Google form. Certify, I'll show you. Certify EM. This is a add-on, this one. This is a add-on. You can attach this add-on within the Google form. Within the Google form, you can set the pass mark criteria. If criteria is meeting, then student immediately on their email, they will get the certificate. If they will don't meet the pass mark criteria, they will not get the certificate. So this is the add-on activity. Okay, the additional to that. Okay, immediately they will get the
Sir, how
certificate.
can we add this
That is
certificate?
an add-on to the Google form. You have to add with the Google form. Here, add-on activity, right?
Okay, sir, get it.
Get add-ons. You need to integrate within the Google form. And few settings, or you auto navigate yourself when you try it out, right? Just to save the time, I'm not going to depth in that. Just to tell you that you can do it. Just copy the embedded code and paste into the Moodle. It's look like internal activity, and immediately student will get the certificate. Just to engage the student, motivation, engagement of the student, right? instantly.
Sir, how to insert that condition that if they are getting only above 50%,
Yeah,
they
that
will.
in this add-on, we have the all features in this add-on. Uh, in this add-on, we have all the features. When you start using it, it will automatically navigate to you. Don't worry. Okay. Mm, Here it's opening. So when you are using it, automatically you can see here. Here it is passing. You can put the percentage. I put 50%. Right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You can do it. Any certificate design, anything you can do. Okay. Now this is the one you can integrate this very beginning. Google Form is, I say, it's a for the beginners. I must say, because there are a lot of wonderful features are available to take the assessments using the quiz, like QReport, and one of my favorite, that is the quizzes. Hope you've gone through that. This is the amazing quizzes. One of my favorite tool. So since morning, I think I rarely am telling my favorite. That word I not used, my favorite, right? And this is really my favorite. Quizzes. I'm using it in my every class. Without this, my no class is going to be complete. In every class, I'm using it. It's amazing tool we have. AI is integrated here. Everything, all the features are here. You can engage the student in face-to-face class, in blended mode of teaching, in online mode of teaching. Everywhere you can engage the student. It's all about the engagement. We can prepare a interactive content quadrant 1 and 2. What about assessment? Assessment should also be the interactive. Google Form is a boring interactivity, I must say, right? Simple form. Until you are not going to engage the student, and to engage it, these kind of a tools we have. So amazing tool we have, that is the quizzes. So you must try this tool to engage the student in the assessment. In the assessment, amazing tool. मैं really I'm fan of this tool. बहुत यूज करता हूँ मैं इसको, बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करता हूँ. Wonderful tool we have. I have in my class I have 96 student. 96, and 96 student को engage करना, it's very difficult. And these digital tool will help me to engage the student. And मेरी क्लास में हमेशा जो परसेंटेज अटेंडेंस की 95% से ज़्यादा ही रहती है. So you can see, just because of these digital tools to engage the student, they enjoy the class. They enjoy the class. अगर students को class interactive नहीं लगेगी, they will not come to your class. They will not come to your class. So these digital tools will help you to engage the student in the class, right? So many times when we are entering to the class, हम I think एक ही बात कहते हैं, students switch off your mobile, silent your mobile, right? यही कहते हैं. But हम जितना मर्जी कह लें, still students trying to access their mobile. Am I right? Student को क्यों blame करें? आप और मैं भी एक ही जैसे हैं. We are also using our mobile during the workshop. आप देख लीजिए सुबह से अब तक कितनी बार workshop में mobile use किया है, right? So we are very close to the mobile. So let's shift this teaching learning activity on the mobile. क्यों ना student को mobile पर ही engage कर दें, right? We have to run with the technology, not against with the technology, right? So let's shift the student on the mobile, and these digital tools help me to engage the student on the mobile, in the class, out of the class as well, right? Just like a Moodle activity की अगर मैं बात करूं, in this Moodle here activity, I'm real example I'm going to show you. Activity में see here, यहाँ पर you can see the wiki. You can prepare your own Wikipedia, right? So last week I prepared my own wiki, right? And then as a result, what I have seen in the grounds, in the lunch time, students are sitting in the ground, they are having their lunch and using this wiki, solving the puzzles of this wiki during their lunch time, right? So we can engage the student in the class, out of the class on the mobile to the students using these digital tools. That's why I said it's interesting tool. हम स्टूडेंट को engage करना चाहते हैं तो assessment भी interactive ही बनानी होगी. Simple assessment student आजकल नहीं attempt करते, right? They feel very bored, right? So assessment भी हमें interactive बनानी है, राइट, असेसमेंट के लिए. ओके, अब क्विज में आई सेड कि दिस इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फीचर वी हैव, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फीचर दैट इज द क्विज. सो अगर मैं ये क्विज को अभी एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू करूं तो आई थिंक 1 आवर जस्ट क्विज पर ही चला जाएगा. जस्ट 1 आवर सिर्फ क्विज को एक्सप्लेन करने में ही चला जाएगा. एंड डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम ऑन दिस. सो rather than this हम और काफी सारी चीजें कवर कर सकते हैं लास्ट आवर में, rather than spending it on one topic that is quiz only. So quiz, how to use a quiz on Moodle, इसके बहुत सारे tutorials आपको YouTube पर मिल जाएंगे. Otherwise I can share my tutorial to you. I have a lot of tutorial on my YouTube channel how to use this quiz on Moodle. So let's cover other things which are very important, right? Okay, so quiz से अगर हम अलग बात करें तो now in the quiz से अलग. Okay, now if we talk about the attendance, 90, just like I said ki 96 students in my class. So you might be have some sections where you have more than 70, 80, 90 students. So 96 students की attendance आपको अगर लेनी है तो कैसे लेना है? 1 आवर की क्लास है, हाफ आवर तो आपका अटेंडेंस में गया, राइट? 96 स्टूडेंट, हाफ आवर तो अटेंडेंस में डेफिनेटली आपका गया. सो हाफ आवर में क्या पढ़ाएंगे? यू कैन डू दी अटेंडेंस जस्ट इन 1 मिनट. यू कैन डू इट 1 मिनट. यू कैन डू दी अटेंडेंस, राइट? ये ऑल्सो यूट्यूब सर, आई सॉ योर प्रिपेयर्ड वीडियो ऑन Moodle 2. ओके, गुड, राइट? सो हाफ आवर तो आपका अटेंडेंस में गया. ओके, आई विल शो यू नाउ हाउ इट्स हैपनिंग. I'm going to show you live things. Here, this is our on live Moodle. Right, let me log in. So how the Moodle, you can see so advanced tool we have. Not just assessment, हम बहुत सारी चीजें Moodle पर कर सकते हैं. Right? So many things we can do it. Okay, so here I'll go to my course. This is my course, blended mode of teaching. I'm running this course on Moodle, and see here. This is the real course. You can see attendance. You can see the attendance. This is the attendance module within the module Moodle we have. ये Genomio में नहीं है, right? On Genomio you can see there is no attendance, right? So as I said, we can integrate anything within the Moodle. So we integrated the attendance module, which is free of cost, right? We integrated the attendance module, and I am taking the attendance using the Moodle in my class. See here, this is the attendance class scheduled. I go to attendance, and you can see the live reports, absent, present. You can see the live reports. These are the live reports I'm going to show you. And using this attendance module, I am able to take the attendance in 2 minutes of 96 students. Or complete semester, not a single student turn up me to ask me कि मेरा अटेंडेंस का परसेंटेज क्या है, उस दिन में एब्सेंट था या प्रेजेंट था. नो सिंगल स्टूडेंट टर्न अप टू मी टू आस्क कि अटेंडेंस का स्टेटस क्या है, बिकॉज 100% ट्रांसपेरेंट. इमीडिएटली जैसे ही मैंने अटेंडेंस को सबमिट किया, इमीडिएटली स्टूडेंट कैन चेक देयर अटेंडेंस ऑन देयर मोबाइल यूजिंग द Moodle मोबाइल ऐप. Moodle, there is an app, Moodle Mobile. So instantly student can check their attendance on their mobile. They are absent or present or total percentage of the attendance, every report immediately, right? So कोई student आपको नहीं पूछेगा मेरी attendance का क्या score है, और आपको भी botheration नहीं है किसका कितना percentage है, क्या है. Everything is recorded, well transparent, digitalized mode, और 2 मिनट में आपकी attendance हो जाएगी. So wonderful tool, the attendance you can use into the Moodle, right? So Moodle support each and everything, बहुत कुछ support करता है Moodle, right? Okay, अब हम बात करें अगर इस assessment की, assignment, right? Assignment की अगर हम बात करें तो assignment में we have a freedom. I can integrate any anti-plagiarism tool within the Moodle. अब जिनोमियो मॉडल दिस इज ए क्लाउड वर्जन, यहाँ मैं नहीं कर सकता, बट ओपन सोर्स यस आई कैन डू इट. सो उस केस में अगर मैं आपको एक आई शो यू दिस इज ओपन सोर्स, राइट? एंड सी हियर ऐड एन एक्टिविटी रिसोर्सेज, सी हियर असाइनमेंट, दिस इज द सेम जस्ट लाइक ऑन जिनोमियो, दिस इज असाइनमेंट, सेम, नो चेंज, डिट्टो एज इट इज असाइनमेंट, and this is the assignment, no change. Now have a look here, what is written this?
Turnitin.
Turnitin assignment. We have a subscription of Turnitin. Turnitin is a paid software. So we integrated the Turnitin within the Moodle. Now we have a choice to generate the Turnitin assignment. So when student will upload their assignment, that Moodle will automatically check the plagiarism, AI detection, and show me the result within the Moodle. So I need not to log in separately somewhere else to check their plagiarism or any other things. On a single platform, you can check it. You can integrate iAuthenticate, Drillbit, any AI anti-plagiarism software within the Moodle. Any, you can integrate it. Let's say मुझे online classes लेनी है. Here it is. You can see Zoom, right? I'll schedule my class here. Student will get the email alert automatically, and I can take a live class, online class within the Moodle. It will be recorded within the Moodle. Student can refer the recorded lectures, right? This is a Zoom, and this is the big blue button. This is again another video conferencing tool, similar like Zoom. The difference is this is a open source. Zoom is license based, but this is a open source, right? You can do it. Similarly, you can see attendance, just I have shown to you. So you can integrate anything. You integrate certificates, you can see here certificates, and set the automate things, criteria, they will get the certificates. So Moodle is fully flexible. You can integrate anything. It's a one-time effort you need to put to design a course, one-time effort. After that, your life will be very easy. You can reuse the courses, then just improve the courses. Similarly, अगर आप याद करें your life first day of teaching, जब आप क्लासरूम में गए थे, first day of teaching in your life, right? कितनी प्रिपरेशन की थी? एक सेमेस्टर तो प्रिपरेशन में ही निकल गए, राइट? और आज वी आर एक्सपर्ट की नींद से भी उठ के जाएंगे तो लेक्चर डिलीवर कर देंगे, राइट? सिमिलरली विद दिस LMS, these things, one time effort we have to put, design we have to do it one time. After that it will help you a lot. एक बार डिजाइन किया, just reuses, then improvisation से जितना भी improve करेंगे चलता है, right? So this is the blended mode of teaching. You can see my course, I'm using it on my every semesters, right? So all the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 all are here in each module. Quadrant 1, 2 and 3 is there, right? And on the top, discussion forum, this is the quadrant 4, right? So like that you have to do in each module. This is module 1 or unit 1 or a topic 1 or a session 1, right? In each module this is syllabus, and then quadrant 1, 2, 3, right? Quadrant unit 2, quadrant 1, 2, 3 and quadrant. So like that you have to design a course, right? You have to design a course and deliver it in a blended mode of teaching. Okay, come back to the assessment part now. So assessment, this assignment, what we can do it here? What we can do it in the assignment, you can generate a rubric assignment, which is very transparent. Rubric assignment. सिंपल असाइनमेंट तो कर ही सकते हैं, जस्ट लाइक इन आवर फेस टू फेस मोड. आप कुछ असाइनमेंट स्टूडेंट को देते हैं, देन दे विल write and back submit to you, then you are evaluating it. You can do it very easily, वो तो हो ही जाएगा. बट उससे भी एडवांस rubric assignment, which is very wonderful and transparent system. Generally जो assignment हम क्लास में लेते हैं, some student may get back to you, say sir ma'am re-evaluate, मेरे यहाँ मार्क्स कम है, यहाँ ज़्यादा है, आते हैं ना स्टूडेंट. But if it is a rubric assignment, no one will turn back to you to re-evaluate. But it's fully transparent system, right? Okay, let's have a look कि वो कैसे काम करता है assignment. और NEP भी हमारा यही कहता है, right? Convert yourself into the blended mode of teaching, right? Involve the student more in digitalized tools, transparency को बढ़ाइए. So that जो NEP कह रहा है हम उसी के according आगे इन tools को use कर रहे हैं, just according to them. Otherwise we can use beyond this as well, right? Okay, so assignment का नाम quiz 1, no, assignment 1, sorry. Assignment 1. Any instructions you want to give it here, right? Instructions, any description. Okay, so as an instruction, as assignment, what you want to give, anything you can give it. Any case study, audio, video, image, any document, any questions, anything you can give it here as an assignment. Let's say I type here, please refer to the case study and answer the below questions, right? So case study हम ले लेते हैं anything, right? Case study on MOOC. This is the, let's say, case study. Okay, note this one. Okay, this is the case study. Copy the URL and case study को select, hyperlink. Case study यहाँ refer हो गई. And here is the question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Done. Assignment is created. Any additional file you want to upload, you can set the time of assignment, when it's going to start, when it's going to end, cut-off date, remind me, grade date, that you can set. Then submission type, how you would like to submit, online or file submission. If I say online submission, online, then student will get this kind of a box, and in a reply they can upload anything, just like me, audio, video, image, anything they can reply back to. Online submission, if I'm saying. So in online submission, I can restrict word limit, right? 500 words, 300, 1000, 2000, you can put a word limits if it is an online submission. If it is a file submission, if I say file submission, then student will get this kind of a box where they can drag and drop the file, any file, right? They can drop the file. So now what type of file you require? You can put restrictions. Student can upload only 1, 2, 3 or 4 files. You can restrict. File size you can restrict, right? 2 MB. File type you can restrict. I say .pdf. सिर्फ PDF ही upload, comma .docx, comma .pptx. सिर्फ यही होगा. You can restrict or don't mention anything. All file type will be accepted, right? Or there's a file submission. If you want both, open the both, online and file submission. Student have a choice. कोई भी upload कर सकता है. Then feedback type, leave it by default. Submission setting, require the student click on submit button. Yes. Require student accept the submit statement. Yes. Allowed attempt. Yes. I say 1, then there is no question. Only once they will upload. If I say more than 1, let's say I say 5 attempts are allowed. 5 attempts. Then you can put a condition. Automatically until pass. What does mean of that? Assignment will reopen until student will not pass the assessment. So it means somewhere I have to define what is the pass mark criteria. I have to go to grade to pass. Let's say 10 mark assessment, I say 4 is pass mark criteria. Out of 10, 4 is pass mark criteria. So when you are evaluating the assessment, and if student got below 4, the assignment will automatically reopen, right? If they get below 4, assignment will automatically reopen, right? Otherwise, if you are saying only one, then there is no question, right? Then group submission setting, no. Notification, no. Then grade, yeah. So overall 10 marks, yeah, 10 marks, grade to pass 4. Grading method, yes, that's the important. Simple direct grading, which जो हम आज की डेट में फेस टू फेस मोड में करते हैं, that is a simple direct grading method. Student assignment submit करेगा, we are evaluating it, give the marks. That is the simple direct grading. We can do it in better way here. But अभी हम rubric को देखते हैं, वो कैसे काम करेगा. Here is the option rubric. Grading method, rubric लिया, okay. Then there are a lot of options. Restrict access, आप student को restrict कर सकते हो कि this assignment is only for the group 1, not group 2. You can put the restrictions over here. Group 1, you have to create the group and then put the restrictions over the groups. Okay. Then you can send content change notification. Student will get the automatic email alert that assignment has been created. This is started, this is ended. Automatically they will get the email alert. Save and return. Assignment is created, but rubric is not created. We just created the assignment, not the rubric. We have to define the rubric. This is assignment. I go to the assignment. I go to the advanced grading. I have to define the rubric. Rubric, you know, it's vary assignment to assignment. It cannot be common. Rubric is vary assignment to assignment. So define the rubric. So in rubric, you know, there is one criteria and their labels. Then criteria, their labels. So rubric manually बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, AI है ना, right? Why we need to put effort in rubric? So I'll go to the add AI, right? add AI में गए, assessment में गए, and यहाँ पर analytic rubric. I want to generate the rubric via topic, via document, via web link. Any way you can generate. So मैं यहाँ पे topic दे देता हूँ, right? Case study on MOOC. Generate, right? So rubric will be generated. Yes. So quick. बच गया मेरा 1 hour. Rubric they can see. So wonderful rubric is generated. So quick, wonderful rubric is generated. So very easy. So इस rubric को copy किया. पहले criteria is here. Then excellent level is 4. Copy 4 plus. This is the excellent level 4. And 3 proficiency 3. Right? So easy, you can see rubric. Otherwise manually सोचते रह जाएंगे क्या करें कैसे करें, right? Rubric is created and 0 is unacceptable. Then second criteria, okay, and their labels. Okay, rubric is very transparent compared to the normal assignment. 2 and 1 and 0 is unacceptable. So hope you understand that. Then next criteria, next level, next criteria, next level. So I just created 2. So you can add multiples as you wish. You can add, right? So I just created 2 only. So you can add multiple. So make it ready. Okay, rubric 1 name देते हैं इसका. Rubric 1. Make it ready. So rubric is ready. So this is my rubric. I created in Moodle, right? Assignment is created, rubric is created. Now let's have a look कि students को कैसे दिखेगा, student इसको submit कैसे करेगा, and evaluation कैसे होगा, वो भी देख लेते हैं. But उसके लिए we must have at least one student in my course. स्टूडेंट तो कोई अभी तक हमने जिक्र ही नहीं किया, इनरोलमेंट पे आते हैं। अब स्टूडेंट को ऐड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि go to that back to the course. See here, third option we have participants. Participants पे गए, here enroll user, enroll user. So enroll user means you must have a user first in that portal. आपके पहले यूजर क्रिएट होने चाहिए, and user creation is the job of admin. I'll come back to that slide. Yeah, here, step one, user creation, right? So user creation is the job of admin. Job of admin. Right? Admin has to create a user first. Once the user is created, now in step 4, we are going to do the enrollment. Enrollment, right? So Moodle पे गए वापस, here we are at enrollment. So just search the name of the student, it will automatically come. If it is exist, if user is there, you can add it. So I test user I have already created and select the courses. See, use student is added. And here you have a control. Let's say आपने स्टूडेंट को कुछ असाइनमेंट अपलोड कुछ केस स्टडी अपलोड किया, एंड यू आस्क टू द स्टूडेंट कि मैंने एक केस स्टडी अपलोड किया है, गो थ्रू दैट केस स्टडी, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुमारो इन द क्लास, करेक्ट? सो टुमारो जब हम क्लास में गए तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने पूछा हो कि स्टूडेंट्स आपने केस स्टडी गो थ्रू किया, तो जनरली क्या होगा, सारे स्टूडेंट यस मैम, यस सर, यस मैम, यस सर. How you can cross verify? Log into the Moodle. Here you can check, have they really access your course or not? So here is the controlling. You can cross check, student आपका course access भी कर रहा है या नहीं, right? See here, never. अभी तो ऐड किया इसलिए never आ रहा है. जैसे ये login करेगा, here is the time stamp will come. सो यू कैन क्रॉस चेक कि स्टूडेंट ने बिना लॉगिन करके ही कह दिया कि हाँ हमने केस स्टडी गो थ्रू कर लिया, राइट? सो यू हैव ए कंट्रोलिंग मैकेनिज्म आल्सो देयर टू क्रॉस चेक कि दे आर लॉग्ड इन और नॉट. इवन देयर इज ए वन मॉड्यूल एनालिटिक, इस जिनोमियो में नहीं कर सकते हम, बट ओपन सोर्स मॉड्यूल में एक टूल है एनालिटिक. इन दैट एनालिटिक यू कैन एनालिसिस कि आफ्टर लॉगिन स्टूडेंट ने इस वीडियो को कितनी बार देखा, 10 मिनट की वीडियो में से 4 मिनट का कौन सा पोर्शन देखा, हाउ मच टाइम योर स्पेंड ऑन पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट, पीपीटी पे कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया, असाइनमेंट पे कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया, वीडियो पे कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया, ओवरऑल ड्यूरेशन क्या थी लॉगिन की, कंप्लीट एनालिसिस जब तक वो लॉगिन रहा. एनालिटिक, so you have a complete analysis कि स्टूडेंट एक्चुअली कर क्या रहे हैं, और उस एनालिटिक टूल से पता एडवांटेज क्या मिलता है, बहुत बढ़िया एडवांटेज है वो, फीडबैक टू द टीचर. जैसे यू अपलोडेड द 10 वीडियो एंड यूजिंग दैट एनालिटिक टूल, नाउ यू हैव ए एनालिसिस कि इन 10 वीडियो में से देयर आर 2 वीडियो जिस पे बहुत कम स्टूडेंट ने क्लिक किया है, वो देख ही नहीं रहे हैं, या देख रहे हैं तो विद इन ए 1 मिनट they will close it and back to the another video. So it means it's a feedback to the teacher कि इस वीडियो में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इंटरेक्टिव नहीं है, अच्छी नहीं है, that need to be revised, that need to be revised. एक वंडरफुल फीडबैक है वो टीचर के लिए भी कि आपके कंटेंट के अगेंस्ट रिस्पॉन्स क्या है स्टूडेंट का, स्टूडेंट उसको देख भी रहा है या नहीं. एक वंडरफुल फीडबैक यू हैव, वंडरफुल फीडबैक. सो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को एनरोल किया, ओके, अब स्टूडेंट लॉगिन कर लेते हैं. स्टूडेंट कैसे लॉगिन करेगा, ऑन द सेम यूआरएल, राइट? तो यूआरएल हमने क्रिएट किया था, ऑन द सेम यूआरएल नाउ स्टूडेंट को जो यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड हमने बना के दिया है, स्टूडेंट विल लॉगिन यूजिंग दैट क्रेडेंशियल. ओके, स्टूडेंट ने लॉगिन कर लिया. एक मिनट शायद, Yes. So logged in as a student, I go to, these are the list of courses जिसमें student enroll होगा, student can access only that courses जिसमें वो enroll है, right? Not all the courses. So latest activity timeline automatically आ जाएगी. See here, the latest activity is automatically is there, assignment pop up, or I go to my courses, all courses की list भी यहाँ पर आ जाएगी. This is the course advanced botany. I go to their student view, right? And you can see now how it's look like. Module 1, content, all the content we have, right? We have this MCQ, this is the assignment. This is student view. I go to the assignment. Now, before add submission, see here, grading criteria. So now student have a clear-cut idea basis on that assignment is going to be evaluated. So before adding the submission, student have an idea, they have what type of parameter and answer they need to put so that they meet these criteria. Right? They should meet this criteria because we already declared your assignment should meet this criteria and basis on that we are going to evaluate it. Right? So that is a clearly it is there, add submission. Okay, so here is the case study. Click on that, case study will open. So case study, I'll go through that case study. Then, okay, question 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'll put the answer. So I have now both options, online text, file submission. So now up to the student कि उसको टाइप करना है या फाइल अपलोड करनी है, both, और आंसर 1, आंसर 2, आंसर 3, और अगर मैं आज तक के अपने एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूं, आई एम evolving these online teaching learning activities since 2012, right? It's more than 13 years I'm evolving this. आज तक अपने एक्सपीरियंस में आई नेवर फेस्ड दैट कि किसी स्टूडेंट ने हमसे ये पूछा हो हाउ टू सबमिट द असाइनमेंट, हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट द क्विज, हाउ टू यूज द मूडल. आज तक अपने करियर में मैंने एक सिंगल स्टूडेंट को नहीं देखा मुझे पूछा हो कि कैसे यूज करना, एक सिंगल स्टूडेंट नहीं. As a teacher, we have to learn how to use Moodle. Students are very smart, right? They are born with the technology. So वो auto navigate हो जाते हैं. Just tell them, go to that URL, download this app, that's it. They will do it. कोई student ने आज तक नहीं पूछा है मुझसे, right? And it's really big thing. Because easy भी है, because they are at user end. उनको just content access करना है. Being a teacher, हमें content generate भी करना है, upload भी करना है. So our job is little difficult compared to student. उनको just access करना है. So accessing is not a big deal, right? Okay, so assignment, save changes and submit. एक मैंने declaration enable किया था. Student must accept this declaration, right? So that is I enabled, and so उसको भी accept करेगा student and submitted for grade. That's it. Student part is done. Now come back to the teacher part. This is the teacher portion. Okay. Go to the course. Course पे गए. Assignment पे चलते हैं. Here is assignment. Okay. So assignment. See, एक ही student है, one participant, submitted one, need grading one. Overall summary you have over here. Go to the grade, view all submission. So here we have a complete look of the students. So each row one student, one row one student. We can see it here. So complete book we have. So student submitted for grade. Right. This is the online text. You can check it here. Any comment, one-to-one comment you can send to the student, one-to-one comment you can do it. And see, if the deadline is over to submit the assignment, many time in face-to-face mode हम करते हैं कि कोई student बाद में आता है कि सर मैम आई एम मेडिकली नॉट फिट और मुझे एक्सटेंशन दे दीजिए असाइनमेंट सबमिट करने का, एंड वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर इंडिविजुअल, सेम थिंग you can do it here, grant extension to individual, you can extend the deadline. Individuals, you can remove back the submission, you can revert as a draft, right? One to one comment you can do it. You have a online submission, file submission, सब देख सकते हैं. If everything is fine, go to the grade पे गए, right? Yeah, this is the grading screen. So here you can have the answers. If it is a file option will be there. You can download, have a look to the file, and there is no option here to enter the marks because this is a rubric assignment. Here I have this rubric. So you need to select the rubric. Based on their answer, you just select, okay? First criteria, 4 point. Second criteria, 3 point. That's it. Right? You can put any feedback, right? One-to-one feedback to the student, and save and show next. Next assignment will come. Now evaluate the next. Similarly, again select the criteria, next, right? And you can just click. You can show next, save and show next. You can evaluate it. So once it's evaluated, come back to the view all submission. Here you can see 8.75 out of 10 automatically awarded. I just selected the rubric criteria. I'm not given the marks. I just selected the rubric, right? Rubric. Now come to the student portion. How it's look like to the student? Yes. Okay. See here. This is the criteria. Based on that, student need to submit it. This is the marks, so visible to the student, right? My feedback, and this you can see. So student have a clear-cut idea कि इस criteria में he or she got 4 point. In this criteria he got this point. Very clear, see. And initially this was the criteria. So rubric you can see so wonderful and transparent assignment system. Wonderful assignment system. कोई स्टूडेंट आपको नहीं पूछेगा कि मेरे मार्क्स कम क्यों है, रीवैल्यूएट कर लो, बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी क्लियर, पहले से ही क्लियर है कि क्राइटेरिया क्या है इवैल्यूएशन, right? And based on that you just put these labels and system automatically calculate the marks automatically. Okay, come back to the here. So now जैसे जैसे आपकी ये this assignments, quiz और ये सब एक्टिविटी बढ़ती रहेंगी, automatically Moodle will create a grade book. Here is the option grade. Automatically grade book will be created. See here, सभी स्टूडेंट के नाम, असाइनमेंट है तो उसका, then क्विज का भी आ जाएगा, then विकी और सभी, and then finally automatically complete grade book will be done, and you can download this in an Excel file and you can submit it anywhere wherever you want. Automatically grade book will be completed, right? So एक ही स्टूडेंट है, एक ही असाइनमेंट है तो वही आ रहा है. So if there is a more assignment, that will also be. So interesting assignment tool we have, we can use it. Okay. So that is the assignment. Quadrant 3, I think we discussed the assessment, quiz ho ya assignment ho, how we can, right? Assignments, we can perform it here. Right, so last few minutes more we have. Okay, assignment related, any doubt you can ask right now here. कोई doubt हो तो assignment से related, right? Otherwise last 15 minutes मैंने reserve किए हैं आपके लिए for any type of queries you can ask. Right? Don't worry about that. The assignment is done. Now come back to that slide जो हमने morning में शुरू की थी, right? So we reached here. यहाँ तक हम आ चुके हैं. We selected the LMS. We approached to the quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 में we have seen the assessment and quizzes. Now quadrant 4 is pending. Because the 4 quadrant approach, as I said, the minimum requirement to run a course online. the integration of the tools which we learn in past 5 days. So any tool, आपने कोई भी quiz किया है, let's say वो it's maybe a query pod, generate a quiz from query pod, generate the link, copy the link and paste the link into the Moodle, right? And integration, it's via embedded code or via a URL, you can paste it into that Moodle and it will be. It's a single platform to do all each and every task. That is the Moodle. Now let's talk about the quadrant 4. Quadrant 4 क्या है? Last 15 minutes और इस 15 minute में quadrant 4 complete हो जाएगा and then you have a question answer session. Okay, so quadrant 4 को समझने के लिए हम चलते हैं स्वयं पर. This is a Swayam. Swayam, we have seen module 1, 2, 3, and each module we have quadrant 1, 2, 3. Similar like we are doing right now. Quadrant 4, here it is, Q&A. This is the quadrant 4 in the Swayam. So मैं जैसे ही quadrant 4 पे click करता हूँ Q&A, it's give me a message that you will be redirecting to the Google group. Okay, continue. या कुछ जानी पहचानी स्क्रीन ओपन हो गई, गूगल ग्रुप, राइट? तो जितने इनरोल्ड स्टूडेंट हैं इस कोर्स में, दे हैव ए गूगल ग्रुप. सो एनी स्टूडेंट कैन पोस्ट देयर क्वेरी ऑन द ग्रुप और उसका रिप्लाई एंड कैन पार्टिसिपेंट भी कर सकता है और टीचर डेफिनेटली कर ही सकता है, राइट? Discussion forum to clear the doubt, and in Swayam that is the Google form, nothing else. It's similar like I hope you have a WhatsApp group of your students, आपकी क्लास का होगा, right? So student को कोई query होती है तो they will post the query on this WhatsApp group और उसका reply कोई student भी कर सकता है और definitely as a teacher आप तो कर ही सकते हैं, right? There is a WhatsApp group to clear the doubts of the student, right? So that is the discussion forum to clear the doubt. Here discussion forum को इतना lightly हम ले लेते हैं कई बार कि just for to clear the doubt, but that is very very important quadrant forum, very important. इसको एक example से समझते हैं. Suppose मैंने एक स्वयं पे कोर्स लॉन्च किया और स्टूडेंट्स ने कुछ मुझे क्वेरी पोस्ट की डिस्कशन फोरम पर और उस डिस्कशन फोरम की क्वेरी का रिप्लाई मैं 1 वीक के बाद दे रहा हूं. सो क्या मेरे कोर्स में स्टूडेंट बने रहेंगे? नहीं रहेंगे, राइट? नहीं रहेंगे बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अटेंटिव टू माई कोर्स. ऑटोमेटिक कुछ नहीं होता है. वी हैव टू रन द we have to run the show, right? We have to run. Online does not mean कि सब ऑटोमेटिक चलता रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You have to put effort. जो एफर्ट हम फेस टू फेस क्लास में लगाते हैं वो एफर्ट ऑनलाइन में भी लगते हैं, right? ऑनलाइन में we are running our courses on Swayam and we have seen, right? So online means at least in 24 hour आपको एक बार तो देखना होगा is there any query or not. अगर स्टूडेंट को 24 आवर में क्वेरी का आंसर मिल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी फाउंड इन योर कोर्स, डेफिनेटली. जस्ट चेक इट आउट. एक आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस कि एक फ्यूचर लर्न एक एलएमएस है, फ्यूचर लर्न, एंड रियली वंडरफुल. एक कोर्स को मैंने एनरोल किया, काफी टाइम हो गया, 5-6 ईयर बिफोर. आई हैव सीन कि जैसे हम उस पर कोई क्वेरी डाल रहे हैं, मैं हूं या कोई भी हो, within a 2 hour we are getting the response. Within a 2 hour we are getting the response. वो चाहे सिली क्वेरी ही क्यों ना हो, we are getting the response. That's the interesting thing. So you can see the course coordinator वो कितना devoted है उस कोर्स के लिए कि within a 2 hour हमें reply कर रहा है. So why we are leaving that course? That's the thing. So discussion form, it's not like that कि सिर्फ query ही put करने के लिए. You have to put attention. स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरी क्या है, तभी वो मेंटेन रहेंगे, अदरवाइज दे विल लीव योर कोर्स, राइट? लीव योर कोर्स. ऑनलाइन डज नॉट मीन कि एवरीथिंग विल रन ऑटोमेटिकली. यू हैव टू पुट एफर्ट, जस्ट लाइक वी आर पुटिंग एफर्ट इनटू आवर फेस टू फेस. दैट इज वन. Now, let's say discussion form का आप दूसरा example लें. Let's say you put a query on your WhatsApp group. Student का जो WhatsApp group है, you put a query कि go through that case study and give me your perspective in few seconds, right? On WhatsApp group. Then what will happen? Few fast student, they will answer immediately. Few slow student, what they will do? Copy and paste or paraphrase. They can do it. They are copying the ideas of other students on WhatsApp, on Google group. That's very much possible, right? So to eliminate the idea of copying in Moodle, we have 5 type of discussion. जो गूगल ग्रुप और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, दैट इज द सिंगल सिंपल डिस्कशन फोरम, राइट? अब अगर मूडल में हम डिस्कशन फोरम की बात करें तो हैव ए लुक नाउ. या सो आई गो टू सो डिस्कशन फोरम हम टॉप में बनाते हैं, कॉमन एरिया. दिस इज द कॉमन एरिया ऑफ द कोर्स, एक्टिविटी एंड रिसोर्सेज. Okay, activity, this is the forum. Go to the forum, discussion forum, click on discussion forum, right? And here you can see the forum type. We have 5 type. This is the first one, single simple discussion, similar like WhatsApp group or a Google group, similar. इसमें से सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइप है Q&A. इसका मतलब क्या है? जस्ट पुट क्लिक ऑन दिस आई बटन and here is the description of every type. So Q&A forum, you can see a student must first post their reply to a question posted by the teacher before viewing other students' post. See the restrictions. So student cannot see the other student perspective until he or she not put their perspective first. They have to type first, give their view first. Only after that, student can have a look of other students' perspective, right? So it's eliminating the copying of ideas. Student have to think and put their own view. What you put it here. So like that wonderful type we have. So let's say select Q&A forum type. And you can put availability कब से कब तक available है, or you can put unlimited जैसा भी आप चाहें. And lot of options we have by default. Leave it and then save and return to the course. Okay, so discussion form is created. Now what you want to discuss? ये तो एक type था. अब मुझे question put करना है. What you want to discuss? Add discussion topic. Let's say subject में कहता हूँ okay COVID-19. So question is, what are the precautions in the COVID-19, right? And post to the forum. Done. Posted. Now go to the student portal. This is a student portal. Okay, the student portal. Okay, here is a discussion forum. Go to that portal. Yeah. So here is the discussion topic, COVID-19, and here is the questions. See here, this is a question and answer forum. To see the reply, you must first post your reply, right? You must first post your reply. And question is this: what is the precaution of the COVID-19? I reply, right? Okay, wear the mask, or whatever you can post to the forum. Here, one more catch here. Here, system allows the 30 minutes to freeze this post. still student have a 30 minutes to do the editing. Still, if they want to change their opinion, they have 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes will over, their post will freeze, then immediately other student perspective will appear to the student. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, स्टूडेंट देखेगा बाकी स्टूडेंट के पर्सपेक्टिव और अपने पोस्ट को एडिट करके चेंज कर सकता है, राइट? तो इस पोस्ट का फ्रीज होना भी जरूरी है, राइट? अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट कैन मॉडिफाई इट, देख के बाकियों का वो फिर से कॉपी ही हुआ ना. सो टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस थिंग, एडिटिंग इज ब्लॉक्ड आफ्टर 30 मिनट. So 30 minutes आपके पास है, you can edit. After 30 minutes your post will be freeze, then you have other students perspective आप देख सकते हो, बट आप अपने पोस्ट को अब एडिट नहीं कर सकते. बट टीचर हैव ए फुल कंट्रोल. टीचर हैव ए फुल कंट्रोल टू एडिट, डिलीट, मॉडिफाई ऑफ एनी स्टूडेंट पोस्ट. बिकॉज हो सकता है कोई स्टूडेंट अननॉनसेंस भी टाइप कर दे, राइट? कुछ नॉनसेंस चीजें लिख दे. So student have a full control. See, delete all the time. Teacher can delete any post. They can reply individual post. They can split the post. Split means that the student ने दो टॉपिक को मर्ज कर दिया एक ही आंसर में. So now teacher has a option split, उन टॉपिक्स को अलग कर दे, in open another discussion forum, right? So that is a wonderful options we have in the discussion forum in the Moodle, right? So you can see Moodle में हर चीज कितनी एडवांस है, वो चाहे क्विज हो, असाइनमेंट हो या डिस्कशन फोरम ही, एवरीथिंग इज सो एडवांस इन द Moodle. कितनी एडवांस है. स्वयं में जस्ट एक टाइप ऑफ डिस्कशन फॉर्म है, Moodle में 5 टाइप है, राइट? स्वयं में एक असेसमेंट और क्विज है, Moodle में देयर आर plenty of assessment and quiz. So that's why I said कि आप 300 में से 15 फीचर ऑफ Moodle 15 पर भी हैंड्स ऑन कर लो तो आई गारंटी आप नॉट जस्ट कि स्वयं, आप किसी भी LMS पर फ्रीली काम कर सकते, किसी भी LMS पर वेरी फ्रीली यू कैन वर्क. और स्वयं तो स्वयं ही हो जाएगा, राइट? वंडरफुल टूल वी हैव, दैट इज द Moodle. और अभी तक हमने जितना Moodle डिस्कस किया है, इट इज लेस देन 1%. अभी तक जितना Moodle हमने डिस्कस किया, लेस देन 1%. सो यू कैन थिंक कि समुंदर कितना गहरा है, राइट? दिस Moodle इज सो वास्ट. आज तक हम भी नई डेवलपमेंट्स पे, नई नई चीजों पे लगे हुए हैं. सो दैट इज रियली वंडरफुल टूल वी हैव, दैट इज द Moodle. सो अगर आप इस जिनोमियो Moodle के 15 फीचर इसको भी कवर कर लें, आई थिंक इट्स मोर देन सफिशिएंट, मोर देन सफिशिएंट. सो इन दिस वर्कशॉप व्हाट हैपन, आपने 6 डेज स्पेंड किए, बहुत कुछ सीख लिया, राइट? बहुत कुछ. सम टाइम यू माइट बी फील, अरे नहीं यार ये तो ओवरबर्डन हो गया, राइट? बहुत कुछ हो गया, ओवर हो गई हैं चीजें, बट टाइम ही इतना है. यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन, और उसको कैसे यूज करना है फर्दर, दैट इज अप टू यू. और इसको यूज करने की स्ट्रेटजी में आपको थोड़ा जरूर एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ कि वो सब चीजें ओवर हो जाती हैं तो सम टाइम हम कुछ भी यूज नहीं कर पाते, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि व्हाट टू यूज, व्हाट नॉट टू यूज, क्या करें, राइट? एक सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी में जरूर आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा, हाउ टू एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंट इट. अदरवाइज होगा क्या, वर्कशॉप इज ओवर, 5 बज गए, वर्कशॉप खत्म हो गई, कल संडे है, दिन भर सोएंगे, मंडे को ऑफिस जाएंगे और वही रूटीन लाइफ शुरू. घर ऑफिस, ऑफिस घर ऑफिस, काम, फाइलें, टीचर, स्टूडेंट, राइट? भूल जाएंगे 6 दिन में क्या सीखा था. तो भाई राइट, ये होता है, सबके साथ होता है, राइट? एक्चुअली इसको अगर इम्प्लीमेंट करना है तो इसको 3 स्टेज में हम डिवाइड करते हैं. इमीडिएटली क्या करना है, इमीडिएट एक्शन प्लान, मिड टर्म एक्शन प्लान, लॉन्ग टर्म एक्शन प्लान, राइट? 3 स्टेज में इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे. इतनी एफर्ट्स हमने लगाए हैं, आपने बहुत पेशेंटली 6 डेज हम सबको सुना है, राइट? सो आई सल्यूट योर पेशेंस. अब उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने का टाइम आ गया. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे करेंगे? स्टेज 1, इमीडिएट एक्शन प्लान. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? Okay, today is Saturday. Monday से immediately when you are going to resume your classes, Monday से ही इन टूल्स को क्लासरूम में यूज करना शुरू कर दीजिए. आई हाईली रिकमेंड मंडे से ही क्विजेस को क्लासरूम में इन्वॉल्व कर दीजिए. right? Quizzes हो गया, then other उसके बाद H5P, then Nearpod. Try to involve these digital tool in the class. एटलीस्ट हर 2 या 3 दिन में एक नया टूल यूज करो. आई थिंक 2 or 3 days इज sufficient time to learn one tool and actually implement in the class, right? Do this exercise for 2-3 months. 3 month तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन टूल्स को क्लासरूम में यूज कीजिए एंड यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. आपको भी कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और स्टूडेंट की इंगेजमेंट भी क्लासरूम में बढ़ेगी. They will enjoy your class. Definitely they will enjoy your class, or your confidence will also increase on the technology. Many time we have a कि यार ये क्लिक कर दिया तो ये गलत हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. So your confidence will also increase जब आप क्लासरूम में इस टेक्नोलॉजी को इन्वॉल्व करो. अगर कुछ गलत हो भी गया तो why worry? आप ही के स्टूडेंट है ना, दोबारा कल फिर ट्राई कर लीजिएगा, राइट? बट कुछ स्वयं पर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो that is a big challenge. That is about यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस्टीज इश्यू, राइट? इंडिविजुअल क्लासरूम के अंदर ही तो है, क्या घबराना, राइट? सो इन टूल्स को क्लासरूम में इमीडिएट यूज करना शुरू कर दीजिए. इमीडिएट मंडे से ही क्लासरूम में रिज्यूम होते ही शुरू कर दीजिए. 2-3 month यूज दीज टूल्स. दैट इज द इमीडिएट एक्शन प्लान. देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट मिड टर्म एक्शन प्लान. इन मिड टर्म में व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, prepare your course on Moodle in blended mode of teaching. अपनी टीचिंग को ब्लेंडेड मोड में शिफ्ट करो. ब्लेंडेड मोड ऑफ टीचिंग, जो आप क्लास में पढ़ा रहे हैं, बिफोर द क्लास, आफ्टर द क्लास, प्रोवाइड द मटेरियल टू द स्टूडेंट ऑन द Moodle. स्टार्ट टेकिंग द असाइनमेंट ऑन द Moodle. 30% तो आपके कंट्रोल में है, राइट? 30% को ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट कीजिए. पहले 10% से शुरू कीजिए, 20 से इंक्रीज, देन 30. दिस इज अ मिड टर्म एक्शन प्लान. इमीडिएटली शिफ्ट नेक्स्ट 3 month, राइट? शिफ्ट योर क्लास इनटू द ब्लेंडेड मोड ऑफ टीचिंग. 3 महीने Moodle को यूज कीजिए. आफ्टर 6 month, नाउ यू हैव एक्सपोजर ऑफ डिजिटल टूल एंड LMS. नाउ लॉन्ग टर्म एक्शन प्लान. नाउ यू आर रेडी टू लॉन्च द रॉकेट. दैट इज स्वयं. बी प्रिपेयर फॉर स्वयं. आफ्टर 6 month, अब आप स्वयं को टारगेट करें, राइट? एंड देन स्वयं के लिए प्रपोजल बनाएं. थिंक अबाउट कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन, राइट? थिंक अबाउट कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन. स्वयं पर कोर्स को रन कीजिए. यू फील कि ये आप काम पहले कर चुके हैं, बहुत आसान लगेगा उस पर काम. So in stages में काम करना शुरू कीजिए. Definitely you can do it. So development of MOOC, it's not a overnight job, it's day-to-day job. एक दिन में नहीं होगा, एक दिन जरूर होगा, right? So it's 5:02 p.m. So I think I should stop here now. Last 10 minutes is totally yours. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask any doubts. जिसके बाद हम सेशन ओवर कर देंगे, right? So किसी भी तरह के आपके doubts हैं तो please feel free. You can type in the chat box. Okay, so I can see few questions in the chat box. No, we need to learn driving, ma'am. Okay, sure, I am use Kahoot regularly, which you taught as previously. Okay, it is so useful. Student is like too much. Thank you, Dr. Amisha, ma'am. Yeah, Dr. Ritu. Dr. Ritu, you raised your hand.
Please brief some video editing tools, as we have to submit assignments and need to use them, not for trimming but for editing.
Yeah, okay. So देखिए, डेमोस्ट्रेशन करने का टाइम तो नहीं है, बट आई विल ब्रीफ यू लिटिल बिट ऑन दैट. सो वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन सजेस्ट यू ए वंडरफुल टूल व्हिच आई एम आल्सो यूजिंग फॉर माय पर्सनल यूज. बहुत ज्यादा उसको यूज करते हैं. दैट इज द यू कैन सी ऑन माय स्क्रीन I shared OpenShot video editor. You can see award-winning open source video editing software. Very simple and free. Download, install, and use it. There are a lot of tutorials are available on YouTube how to use OpenShot video editor. If you want, ping me, I'll share my tutorial how to use this video editing software. So amazing. Big thing is it's a open source, right? Open source, बहुत बढ़िया सॉफ्टवेयर है, right? Simple and free, available for all kind of operating system. बहुत अच्छा टूल है ये, मैं इसका URL चैट बॉक्स में आपको दे देता हूँ, right? So you can try this OpenShot. Otherwise, there are plenty of tools to do the editing. बहुत सारे हैं, but confuse नहीं करना चाहता सारे नाम आपको बता के, right? So
Sir, what should be the resolution and sir, what
you
should
can
be the
hold
resolution?
the option when you are extracting the edited video from this OpenShot. You have a option in which resolution you want to extract.
So which
So
one is the ideal for LMS?
uh, whatever video you are generating, whatever, recommendation is you need to prepare a video as much as possible in high resolution. As much as possible in high resolution. Create a video in high resolution, upload it on the YouTube, then share on the LMS. That multi-resolution YouTube will automatically manage. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपने वीडियो अपलोड की हाई डेफिनेशन की, आपके स्टूडेंट्स दे आर सिटिंग इन ए रिमोट एरिया, दे हैव 2G कनेक्शन, सो क्या वो हाई डेफिनेशन की वीडियो आपके स्टूडेंट देख पाएंगे 2G कनेक्शन के साथ?
Yes, sir. YouTube gives the option.
YouTube से देख पाएंगे. YouTube have a multi resolution and that automatically change based on your bandwidth. So YouTube can reduce, अगर डेफिनेशन है तो मैं लो रेजोल्यूशन तक आ सकता हूँ, बट ऑलरेडी लो रेजोल्यूशन में हाई नहीं जा सकता. थिंक अबाउट those students who have a broadband at their home, they can access your high definition video, but आपका वीडियो लो रेजोल्यूशन है, वो हाई जा ही नहीं सकता. So you need to upload as much as possible your video in high definition, जितना हो सके.
Sir, one thing on SCOM package, you have done a excellent thing, but just if you can able to give some a little bit of idea on SCOM package, because I've seen in the packages that we are dealing with, and the SCOM is there. So if you one word or any something, kindly. Sir.
Sorry, I'm not getting your question, sir. Sorry, repeat. Hello, sir.
I think, sir, he is facing network issue. Sir, one more query since you started.
If anyone,
Yes.
please, wait. Okay, SCOM. Okay, SCOM package is like you उसमें जो था, right? Moodle में, right? Yes, sir. Yes, okay. Moodle में there is an option. Yes. SCOM means shareable content object reference model. Right? Shareable content object reference model mean to say there are few tools available. Let's say Hotpot. Hotpot is for to prepare the quizzes, right? So Hotpot will generate a SCOM package, right? And then download the SCOM from Hotpot and upload into the Moodle as it is. So you can transfer the content using this SCOM package from one platform to another platform. Ready-made quiz is download and upload. So a lot of tools are available where you can download this SCOM package and upload directly to the Moodle. So as it is, it will be transferred. It's like an import and export on a specific format. Right, sir?
Thank you, sir. Just if you can share some one video like that, just small video, because if possible, sir, it is a request.
So what I will do, sir, I'll share my number here, WhatsApp number. So if anyone need any type of tutorial like you need on SCOM or anyone need on other tool, so please ping me. I will share that video tutorial to you. Don't worry, sir. Right? Or you can mail me at my email address also. So don't be think कि हमने पूरा दिन मैंने बहुत कुछ बताया, and when you are trying to do actually in your practical में करने गए और प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो कोई आपके साथ नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. We are with you. Try to do it. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है in future just ping us. We definitely help you out. Definitely. Yeah, Dr. Ritu, I think आप क्वेश्चन था आपका कुछ. Yes.
Sir, since you started in the morning, I am assuming that you are using some background or not. And second, how you are putting these question and answer, good morning and all that. Is it Google Meet feature
Not,
or you are using something else?
I'm using something else, right? This is not a Google Meet, it's a Prezi, Prezi. I'll share you that URL also. This is another AI. So there are a lot of tools we have, right, to make your class more interactive. Yeah, this is the Prezi, right? So using the Prezi, see here, I'll show you something else as well. You can share your content. See here, without sharing my screen, I'm sharing my content. Yes, you can see on the screen.
So,
जो मेरा PPT था वही है, right?
see.
और कुछ ऐसे भी हो सकता है, right? You can share your content without sharing your screen and animations, any type of animations you can share, right? See,
Yeah.
right? So it's a wonderful tool that is the Prezi. So Prezi से आप not just कि आप online meeting ही, you can record your video lecture Prezi से, you can prepare the presentation, you can prepare the posters, you can use in online meeting, not just in Google Meet, Zoom, Jitsi, or WebEx, Microsoft Team, anywhere you can use. It's a wonderful tool, Prezi. You can try
So,
to
are
use.
you using it in Google Meet? A little bit oral description.
Yeah, so in Prezi there is an option you can integrate the Prezi with the any remote meeting tool. Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Team, any Google Meet, any video conferencing you can use like a camera,
Okay.
right? So I am giving my feed via Prezi to the Google Meet. So
Okay.
whatever I am using in the Prezi, Google Meet just showing that.
Okay. So it's like a streaming.
Yeah, streaming via Prezi.
Thank you, sir.
So any other query, please? Okay, definitely, sir. I'll share my PPT on the Google Classroom, right? Right. Any other query, please? So today is the last day. So now tomorrow take a rest. Sunday, right? Then again Monday start using these tools and technique. And any doubt, please feel free to ask us. We are here with you. So anytime you can just maybe sometime we are not able to pick your calls, but uh, just post your doubt on WhatsApp or email. Definitely we will reply you back. Just like today whole day I'm busy with you, not able to pick so many calls. Right. So similarly, maybe happen with you when you are calling me and busy in another session. So better is just put the query on WhatsApp and definitely will be get reply. Definitely. Right.
So really wonderful
Thank you,
session. But
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Wonderful session.
Thank you,
sir,
sir,
I
for
must
such
say
an
that you kept
enlightening
many
session.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you
बहुत
so
Thank
much,
you.
मजा
sir.
आया बहुत कुछ
Thank
सीखा आपने
you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You know, academicians always hunger to speak. So
uh,
still I have a lot of things I can speak with you. 9 से 5 we are habitual to speak. आप मुझे एक week भी दे तो मैं शायद ऐसे ही बोलता रहूँगा. But time is the constraint here. Time is up.
but you
We are on time. Right. So thank you so much listening.
wonderful sessions, but you kept many things secret
Yes, ma'am.
very smartly. So you kept many things secret very smartly. For example, humanized रहना वो सब मतलब they were cut shorts on that.
This is just a learning. You know, एक अच्छा टीचर एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट ही अच्छा टीचर बनता है. So we are learning every day new technology. हम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सीखने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं. हर वर्कशॉप में हम भी आपसे कुछ ना कुछ सीखते ही हैं. And our mentor is Professor Srinivas, right? तो है ही हमारे साथ. Okay, good.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for such an enlightening and engaging session and for sharing such valuable tools for, education and for teaching and learning purposes. And thank you so much for sparing your time and your effort for this session. And we look forward to further future collaborations and continued discussions with you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
नमस्कार
Thank you,
दीपक
all the
जी, थैंक
थैंक यू
यू।
participants.
सर Thank you.
Too much.
Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे next program. I hope participants you enjoyed the session and please submit your assignments and I hope you will receive the certificates now.
No, not so.
Not it.
No, no.
No, sir.
No
Kuldeep?
certification.
No, sir, no,
No, no,
not yet received.
you're going to receive it. You're going to receive right now. Kuldeep, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Have you submitted the feedback? Madam, सब लोग feedback
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
you're
submitted.
going to receive within a minute.
अभी 50 लोगों का हुआ है फीडबैक.
फिर 50, only 50. And the rest, I think our attendance is less today. Yeah, somebody told it is received. वो AutoCAD चला दिया?
सर भी वही
No, sir.
चला रहे हैं.
Okay.
नायरा आया है, सिर्फ नायरा चला रहा है.
Our Chandra sir is so fast. You can see you will get the certificate instantly, right? So thanks to Chandra sir for managing this whole workshop, right? Really very gem of this workshop. Thank you, Chandra sir.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Really
Thank
very
you.
Domino's.
very enthusiastic.
Now, within another 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to receive the certificates. And this digital certificates is only for participation purpose. And the
Yes,
certificates
sir.
only
It
you
is
submit.
important to submit it in the university.
Yeah, you will be receiving right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
नागेंद्रा, कुलदीप चला दिया वो?
हेलो, यस सर.
वो ऑटोमेटिक सर्टिफिकेट ट्रिगर कर दिया?
आप करेंगे सर, विद इन 3 मिनट्स हो जाएगा सर.
ठीक है. So friends, you're going to receive within another 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to receive the certificates. I hope you enjoyed the sessions and as we told that there is no valedictory and other things and then we will be in touch.
Sir, if it is possible, please.
Those are being left, like Gamma and Lumi.
Many are having problems.
Pardon, come again.
So many are facing problems. We have some queries in our assignment and all such things. We are stuck somewhere in the assignment and that. So if it is possible, we'll discuss in our group, and if it is possible, please arrange some night class or at your convenience, so that
Definitely, madam, definitely. Definitely, we will try to do it. But only submission of assignment is very important.
Thank you, sir.
But no class immediately, sir. After 15 days.
वो तो टच टूट जाएंगे ना मैडम सब लोग.
कैसे बना उसको, मतलब टेक्नो से भी तो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारे जैसे बूढ़े लोग तो नहीं कर पाएंगे ना. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, उसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. अभी तो छुट्टियां है ना.
I think yesterday I shared my number also yesterday. I think somebody is asking me number. I'm sharing my number.
Please.
Ma'am,
Sir, is it possible to give in a PDF like each step by step, like how we have to do, what we have to do, like that?
Madam, everything is there in Google Classroom. Still, you can ping me in WhatsApp if you're still having the doubts. I'm posting my number.
Okay. Thank you,
So
sir.
is the classroom going to be available for a long time or for a
Available
week?
for long time, ma'am. Available for long time.
Okay. And we are not able to actually download the resources which is posted there. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible to download. There is no such hindrance here.
Because actually I tried doing it, but it is not happening.
No, madam. It will be downloadable. Please check your internet connectivity. It is possible.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Chandra sir, a special feedback to you. Being with
Thank you,
is
madam.
like कि जैसे आसमान नीपा है, तो आपके होने से 4 साल लग गए, क्योंकि I have learned a lot from you.
No, madam. It is all the program directors and all NIEPA's direction.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
So I hope Nagendra Kuldeep triggered it.
सर ये उसको भी दोबारा से कर रहे हैं तो भी 5 मिनट लगेगा ट्रिगर करने में।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
ओके
So I think friends, we are going to receive within another 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, you are going to receive the certificate. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thanks to all the co-participants.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Very
for your
wonderful.
participants also.
वो
सर हमारा एक
participants are
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाते तो अच्छा था, ताकि हम लोग डाउट्स पहले कुछ पेयर मतलब लर्निंग से हो जाए।
ऑलरेडी है ना मैडम, ग्रुप बनाया है, उसके
सर
अंदर
उस
है।
ग्रुप पे
उसी में
सर
डालें?
उस ग्रुप
ओके,
पे सर उस ग्रुप पे ओनली एडमिन्स कैन सेंड द मैसेज।
मैडम
हाँ,
थोड़ा
उसका थोड़ा सा
कंट्रोल
ठीक।
किया था, बस उसको ठीक करेंगे। हम
हाँ,
तो शूटिंग
हाँ,
स्पेस में
ओके
डालेंगे। Once
नहीं
we were just waiting for
मैडम
जी मैम, जी
मैडम
बोलिए
हम
मैम।
लोगों ने और एक ग्रुप बनाया है।
क्या बनाया?
हम लोगों के पास और एक ग्रुप है, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, जिसमें हम लोग सारे 40%।
काइंडली ऐड मी मैडम प्लीज, मुझे
Ma'am,
ऐड कर
please add me as well.
या प्लीज प्लीज।
कुलदीप, वो हो गए तो बता देना मेरे को।
चंद्र सर, ऐसा कोई कोर्स है क्या नीपा का जो हमें डिफरेंट एनालिसिस टूल्स वगैरह सिखा सकता है, जैसे SPSS, R, पाइथन, ये सब अगर सीखना हो तो कोई कोर्स ऐसा रन करता है क्या नीपा?
होते रहता है मैडम, हमारे NEP का भी होते रहता है। इसके अंदर सारा चीज ऐसे थीम्स डालते रहते हैं हम, पाइथन और
नहीं, जैसे अब जो जितने ये सारे एप्स होते हैं ना, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, आजकल हर कोई पूछता है कौन कौन से एप्स आते हैं, आर आता है, पाइथन आता है, ये आता है, वो आता है, तो अब क्या क्या सीखे ट्यूटोरियल से?
SPSS and R are both are same only, because SPSS is a paid tool and R is open source. I think it is very easy to learn also R. What we did yesterday with the Gemini and Google Colab, I think
Yes.
could have observed, we did the same thing, data cleaning and machine
Yes,
learning technique applied.
it was same, but like sometimes you
same.
see institutions prefer that you use this tool, use this tool, then in that case, if you want to learn.
Chandra sir, the way you teach is excellent, sir.
After
You have lot of patience.
After ma'am, I'll send a link in the chat box. You please click the link and join WhatsApp group. After ma'am.
This is alumni group now.
सर ट्रिगर कर दिया है उसको अभी।
हो गया? Okay. मतलब it will going to get executed, I think within 5 to 10 minutes to everyone. They start getting these certificates and पहले वाले हो गया, किसका नाम पे हुआ पहले?
सर पहला नाम है डॉक्टर श्रेया शर्मा।
Dr. Shreya Sharma, have you received the email? I think she is not there here.
She is not there.
Yeah, she is not there.
फरीदा यास्मीन।
क्या भाई?
फरीदा यास्मीन सेकंड नेम।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Myself Faida. Thank you, sir.
Have you received the email?
Yes, sir.
Certificate email, I am asking, madam.
Oh.
Received, sir. Certificate received, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. I think it will get executed, friends. We will be in touch. And thanks for your patience and time. And we will be in near future in any workshop. We will meet again.
Yes, sir. Received. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks a lot,
Namaskar.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.